This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate at home with Hershey's syrup. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of Hershey's chocolate syrup, and a small pinch of salt. Having a pinch of salt really enhances the chocolate flavor. Also, grab your favorite mug. You can also prepare any optional toppings like whipped cream or mini marshmallows now. Next, pour 1 cup of milk into a small saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat on your stovetop. Stir the milk occasionally to prevent it from scorching on the bottom. The goal is to warm the milk until it's steaming gently, not to bring it to a rolling boil. This gentle heating ensures a smooth, creamy texture for your hot chocolate. Once your milk is perfectly warm and steaming, carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. Now, it's time for the star ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons of Hershey's chocolate syrup directly into the warm milk. Stir the mixture continuously and thoroughly. Make sure the syrup is completely dissolved and evenly distributed, creating a rich, consistent chocolate flavor throughout. Finally, pour your delicious homemade hot chocolate into your favorite mug. This is the perfect moment to add any desired toppings, such as a generous dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy marshmallows. Take a moment to enjoy the rich aroma before taking your first sip. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your cozy, chocolatey treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.